Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video we'll be working on the C-Class right here again, and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace high beam headlight bulb. If you have a message inside that tells you that the high beam headlight bulb is burned, it's malfunctioning, we'll show you how to replace it now. Both sides, left and right, will be identical. We'll demonstrate only on one side, so stay with us and you'll see what I'm talking about. We have more than 200 videos on this model, on this car. We'll be taking it apart to make videos, so if you need anything, let us know. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. We're constantly adding videos, so let's start on it now. Okay, we're going to open the hood. We'll demonstrate on the right side of the vehicle. The left side will be identical, but we have more stuff here, so it will be harder for us to get the camera in there to show you exactly what we're doing. So, now, the high beam headlight bulb, okay, let me show you. This is low beam, this is high beam, it's towards the inside. You need to remove that cap right here. Once you remove the cap, okay, make sure you don't drop it and to lose it, okay. You're going to grab the whole bulb assembly, turn counterclockwise, okay. Okay, it goes like that. Now here you have other cables, so you have to get them out of the way. This is the headlight bulb. Okay, it's important never to touch the new headlight bulb with your fingers, because it's going to burn. The oil from your fingers will get hot and it will make the bulb burn. So all you have to do is just pull it out of here. Okay, we use a screwdriver to help it come out. So in our case, 2014 Mercedes uses H7 bulbs. So we're going to get the new bulb now. Okay, and you can see that thing, okay, needs to point over here. Okay, it goes like that. Again, don't touch it with your fingers. Okay, like that. Now you need to go in the headlight and stay with us. I'm going to show you a trick towards the end how to install them. We have a broken headlight we can demonstrate on, and just turn clockwise, okay, until it's tight. Don't forget to install the cap, okay, because otherwise you have dust and water going in. And now this is a broken headlight that we have right here. So the bulb is, okay, this is the bulb we're talking about. You can see these two screws, that's where the bulb locks in place. So when you turn counterclockwise to remove it, okay, that's what you do. You can see this bulb and this one right here, okay, those bulbs, they go under the screws. So when you're ready to install it, guys, okay, all you have to do, go like that, okay, and after that you need to push down and turn clockwise to lock it in place. That's the whole procedure. Hopefully the video was helpful, save you some money, and see you guys next time.